Hey guys, this is Caleb over here at Walter Buick GMC. Had a customer call in. I want to say thank you. Hopefully you're seeing this video. And by this point, I've given you your answer as well. I've got this Denali Ultimate Yukon that I have already made a video on, the transparent, not transparent trailering, but the turn signal cameras. It has to do with transparent trailering as well. So one of the options this bad boy has is a $350 option from the factory. Now it does force on night vision, so as long as you have night vision, which you can tell is right here, but you also have to make sure you have the enhanced trailering technology package. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around and show you. So outside of it, I've already taken the back cover off. You can tell if you have this option, and it's also in the settings menu if you have this button right here. This option right here in the back. This is what I've been able to narrow it down to with all the research and stuff and testing that I've done. Now, I don't have a trailer, so I can't test transparent trailering because you also have to have a whole camera system set up for it. But we hop in and cut us back a little bit so I can show you. These are your turn signal cameras. When you turn on the camera option inside of the screen, you can see it here. You go through your different options. If you have on the window sticker, I've got right here, this $350 option. Zoom in there for you. Let's go ahead and focus that. There we go. So you can see enhanced trailing technology package, trailing camera provisions, trailing assist guidelines, which is also forces a $2,000 option. This vehicle is 110, 111 grand. Do the $350 option. It's absolutely worth it. This one also has the executive seating, which is a whole separate option. When you get executive seating, it does force the night vision, but not that enhanced trailering technology package. So if you want a truly fully loaded Yukon Denali Ultimate, make sure you click that little option. Because when you're in drive, I'm gonna put the bad boy in drive here, and we're not going anywhere. I'm gonna turn the turn signal on, and it's gonna pop it up, and it's gonna show you that turn signal. That's gonna be great while driving. I hope this is what has figured it out. So get yourself a Yukon Denali Ultimate if that's what you're looking for. Make sure you order it with that $350 option so you have this fun feature. You can see the night vision in the dash as well. I mean, this thing is fully loaded. Not a single option missing. It's even blacked out a bit. But that is essentially the solution that I've been able to figure out. I want to say thank y'all again for watching. I want to say thank you for everybody that comments every single time trying to help me figure out these little things on these vehicles, especially as these Denali Ultimates are very hard to find, extremely rare. We've had 2, maybe 3 of these Denali Ultimates come through in 2025. And we're starting to hopefully see 2026s here in the next few months. But the last Denali Ultimate I took a video of, which was blue, and it was also a black one at one point, they didn't have this enhanced trailing technology package. But when you're ordering your 25 or 26, your Yukon Denali Ultimate, or finding one, make sure it has that $350 option, the enhanced trailering technology package for your Yukon Denali Ultimate. Have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.